Oh, my gosh, you guys. They finally did it. Apple has finally done it. New ringtones are here. Yes is exciting. It's been so long when Apple has just made their new update with brand new ringtones. I'm so hyped to hear it, you guys. I bet all of you are going to hear it too. All right. This is it, every pony. 9 years ago, 'cause we haven't gotten a single update for such a long time. And they done it to begin with in the first place. Are you guys ready to hear this new ringtones? Already. Remember to like this video on the way out. Thanks, guys. In 3, 2, 1, go. I'm gonna keep silent so you guys can hear the sounds. In that case, we're gonna have to decide what's your favorite ringtone. Let's begin. And there you have it, guys. A brand new sounds from Apple. Thank you so much for putting new features we've been waiting for, Apple Company. Nothing like other sounds from Samsung and Google Pixel phones devices till now, but the people wanted this for a long time. Thank you, Apple. We appreciate you for more ringtones like this in the future updates. I bet lots of people around the world to keep Apple fans happy. So, what do you guys think of this new ringtones? Let's start with me. My favorite sound is breaking from ringtone and milestone from text. Those are my best two ones. What about the rest of you? Comment below and let me know what's your favorite ringtones. Well, I guess that's a wrap for ending this video, guys. I'm sure I might do this in the future, or we'll see. See you in the next video, guys, and have a wonderful day.